안녕하세요. Hello everyone, how are you doing? Hope all of you are doing very well. Today's menu is a dish that my daughter often had for breakfast when she went to high school. It's homemade egg fried rice. Eggs are always in the refrigerator, even when the refrigerator doesn't have any other ingredients to cook. Let's make a super simple yet delicious fried egg rice. Please feel free to like the video and hit the subscription button. Thank you. Place about 7 ounces of rice in a bowl. I like to use cold rice for making fried rice. You can use any leftover rice. If you don't have a cold rice, you can use warm rice. Crack 2 eggs and put it in the rice. Add a pinch of salt. Mix it well. If you don't have a rice, you can use instant rice. If you stir-fry the rice with egg, you can coat each rice egg well and make the rice more delicious. Chop up about 2 green onions thinly. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil to the preheated pan. Add mix the eggs and rice. Place the heat on medium-high and stir-fry it. Keep stirring. Then the grains of rice will become less sticky. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce when the rice has stir-fried properly. It would be good to add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce instead of soy sauce. At this stage, if it's a little bland, add a pinch of salt and add a bit of pepper. Add the chopped green onions. You can stir-fry green onions in oil from the beginning. But if you put it in later, the green onion scent still comes out and the color looks good. Stir-fry it over medium heat for 1 more minute. Turn the heat off and add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. The savory scent of sesame oil enhances the flavor of fried egg rice. Place in a plate. If you have sesame seeds, sprinkle a bit. The very savory fried egg rice is done. Let me show you another version of egg fried rice. Chop up about 2 green onions thinly. Slice the carrot thinly. Add a chop it finely. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil to the preheated pan. Add a chopped green onion. For the color, let me put some chopped carrots. This is optional. Stir fry over medium heat so that the green onion does not burn and the green onion scent permeates well. If you don't have enough oil, add about half a tablespoon. Place 2 eggs in a pan. Add a pinch of salt. Stir well like scrambled eggs. Add 1 bowl of rice when the eggs are cooked to a certain extent. If you press down with a ladle to prevent the rice grains from clumping, the clumped rice grains come apart well. Then the grains of rice will become less sticky. Add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. If you add fish sauce, the flavor gets better. If you don't have a fish sauce, you can season it with soy sauce, oyster sauce, or salt. At this stage, if it's a little bland, add a pinch of salt and a bit of pepper. Place the heat over medium and stir fry for another 1 more minute. Turn the heat off and add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Place in a plate. Another delicious fried egg rice is done. Today's dish is super simple yet delicious, right? It's a dish that you can make with just the ingredients at home. Why don't you try making it tonight? Hope you like the episode today. Thank you so much for watching the video. I will be back with a simple and delicious dish next time. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.